People of Cabanatuan, good evening. Wearing a festival costume cannot be defined in how big, huge, glamorous, or shiny your festival costume is. But I certainly believe that wearing a festival costume can be defined in how are you going to present it with gratia, elegantia, or what we call as grace and elegance. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that showcases the intricacy and detailed hard work of the people from the land of dream weavers, the Tinala Festival of South Cotabato. My name is Janelle Siege Garcia, 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalawigan ng Bulacan. I'm a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a licensed software engineer by profession. O isa po sa mga lisensyadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, allow me, my dear Board of Judges, to introduce myself further. Opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan, sumagot sa mga katanungan ng puno ng kalokohan, at nagpakita ng aking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I'm one of your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalists. But since tonight I need to undergo with one specific personality, let me borrow the personality of the sexiest vixen of this generation. The one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy called Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solen Yusa.